All right, here's some cocoons we collected when we were going through our worm bin. I think we have like 12 or 13 here. For size reference, that is a bell pepper seed, and that is the cocoons. If I zoom out here, and that shows you how tiny they are. And we're actually just gonna put them in a little home here. We put some shredded cardboard. I moistened it down, and I'm gonna have my little helper here put these cocoons into the container. All right, dump them in carefully. Let's see, did you get them all? All right, so now they are in their new little home in here. And I'm just gonna throw a paper towel on top here. I might end up putting a little bit of food, but I wanna wait till they're a little bit closer to hatching because I don't want this to get like stinky. So I just kind of covered them up in there. And I'm just going to add this used paper towel on top to kind of hold the moisture inside there. Can you pop the lid on top? Pop the lid on top for me.
Oh.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.